welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to make a time series graph on RStudio. So first of all, you want to start with your data, which is on Excel, and I'm going to be analyzing NDVI data over 15 years. So you can see over here the date, starting from January 2001 and every single month until 2016. So of course you can analyze any kind of data that you want, and you can analyze it every year or every month just like I have. That is completely up to you, but you don't actually need this data over here. You don't need the date, so just delete that. Okay, and then you need to save as a CSV file. I'm going to call mine ndvi.csv, and you want to make sure here it's a CSV file instead of a Excel workbook. Save. And then you're going to go to RStudio. Once you go to RStudio, you want to make a new R script. And you want to save, the first thing you want to do is you want to save this R script. You want to save it onto your USB or onto your computer. You just want to create the pathway of where you want to save it to. So just save it onto somewhere on your computer or anywhere. Once you have saved it, you want to click on the session button over here, and you want to set working directory to source file location. Once you've done that, then we can pretty much begin writing our codes. So first thing you want to do is you want to download these packages over here, unless you already have them downloaded. But if you don't, and to know whether you have them downloaded or not, you want to run the first code. If you get an error message, then most probably you don't have them downloaded. So you need to download them manually. You're going to go to Tools, and you're going to click Install Packages. And you're going to write, for the first one, it's called ASTA. So you're going to write it, and it's going to come up over here. You want to click on it, and you want to click Install. And you're going to do this for each one of these packages. Done. So once you have installed them, then you want to run each and every single one of these codes. You're going to run each one. Once you've run each one, then you want to write your code to read the data into R. So I'm going to call my data ndvi, and if you remember, I called my file ndvi.csv. So you want to write this code in, and you want to run it. And then you want to let RStudio know that you are making a time series graph. And mine is in a frequency of 12. So every 12 months, it moves on to the second year, and so on. But if you're doing it every year, then instead of 12, you would write 1. But I'm doing it for every month of every year. And I'm starting my year from 2001. And I'm going to run this. And then I want to see what my data looks like. So I'm going to run this. And as you can see over here, my data is looking like this. So we have the months, and we have the year. And then you want to plot this. So here we have the plot. And if you want to decompose your data into a trend, into seasonal, or into random, then you would run this code. You'll plot it. And here, as you can see, observed, trend, seasonal, and random, which is quite useful. And if you want to perform seasonal adjustment, then you would run this code. And if, as you can see over here, my data, there are so many fluctuations. So this code over here is for smoothing. So it would smooth your data. And there you go. So I really hope that helped. I think the most important code is this one over here, which is plotting the time series. But the others are just for extra detail. I hope you enjoyed and I hope this helped. Thank you.